always have friends saying to me, listen, man, when you go to someplace really cool, you gotta bring me along. So here I am, Marcel Reese, pro ball player, and we are in Barcelona, Spain. What do you think?
Not too bad.
You come to Barcelona, there's one thing you gotta try, and I know he doesn't like it, and that's pulpo.
Pulpo, as an octopus?
No place better than Pulperia Agudinha.
This has got a lovely, authentic feel to it. The food is fantastic.
Bueno, señora.
You can either get a small like appetizer or it could be your whole meal.
El mejor en Barcelona.
What is Galician?
Galicia es una región al noroeste de España.
Which is the birthplace of Jose Luis Sierra, who opened this joint back in the 90s with fellow food biz vet Andres Flores. And they're cranking out these dishes Galicia is known for. Galician-style is simple dishes, a lot of seafood prepared in the old style.
Cocina tradicional, muy cocinado, muy artesanal.
Like potatoes served up with one of my favorites, pulpo, you know, octopus.
Su punto de cocción perfecta.
The first time he's gonna try octopus, the pulpo. Look at you starting to sweat.
It's all octopus.
That's all octopus all day.
No agua caliente, fría.
Cold water, just washing it off. And he just didn't drop it in, he tempered it a little bit so it didn't seize up so fast. Why the copper pot? The pot special?
Olla de aluminio, sueltan sabor al agua. Olla de cobre, especial cocinar pulpo.
Got it. Una hora?
35, 40.
So 35, 40 minutes, bring it out. Go ahead, Marcel, jump in there. Don't drop it.
Pour off the water.
Pour off the water. That's not hot at all.
Prueba tú.
This is your new kitchen assistant? It's great. I think it's a good idea. Not bad, huh? Trim up that octopus, quite nice. This is how you do it in Galician.
Cuchillo mal profesional. Típico, tijera.
That's one serving. Decent portion, okay?
Sal, paprika, dulce, picante.
He's got smoked paprika and the sweet paprika in there.
Oliva, bueno. Tata,
Papas,
decoration.
beautiful. There we go. Fantastic. Ladies, gentlemen. You're going for it, going big. Oh. Ah! It's good.
Almost a crab-like texture.
It's like the best, most tender lobster you'll ever try. There's a little bit of texture to it. What I like is the spicy and the sweet of the paprika. He uses a really nice grainy salt in that really strong olive oil.
That's awesome.
Oh, dynamite.
Pulpo, señores.
The octopus here is very good.
Está en su punto, está blandito.
Have you tried octopus?
We haven't had it yet.
Everybody has to jump in. Here we go. Not bad, huh?
Not bad.
Made correctly by good people.
I can really appreciate the care and love and passion you can see and taste in the food.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
So I'm here smack dab in the middle of Barcelona, an area known as Gracia, and I'm looking for a mom and pop joint that opened in 1986. And everybody says you gotta come check it out. And particularly, you gotta try the Snails. Snails wasn't exactly the tapas I was thinking of, but I'm game. This is Calboter.
Y una tartaleta de la 11.
There's no other place like this.
La comida en Calboter es muy tradicional. Es el día a día, la comida que te hace la mama.
Y tengo que sacar 3 enfainas más.
The dishes are the very best of Barcelona.
Highlighting both the cuisine of Catalonia, which is the northeastern region of Spain, and the family recipes of Encarna Navarro.
En un restaurante como en su casa.
Yeah, so you wanted to make a restaurant that was like your home, and you and your husband started the restaurant.
Yes.
And though her husband, Tony, has passed away, she and their kids, including son Pau Boutet, still keep the original spirit alive.
El trato que hay es un trato muy familiar.
You're gonna eat very good.
Thanks in large part to Chef Guido Donatelli, who's been here for over a decade, cooking up the local Catalan classics.
Uns cargols a la cassola.
Have you ever had snails before?
Yeah.
How are these?
It's super good, yeah.
I remember the first time I tried it, I feel like, oh my God, how can I live before?
Okay, what are we making?
What I make is snails.
Just so you know, I've eaten a lot of escargot when I lived in France. I don't think that I've ever prepared them. Whoa! we're right into it. We're not even gonna talk about it.
To boil it, it's for clean the snails.
This is for cleaning them.
Yes.
A lot of people eat the snails?
Yes. The day for the snails normally is Sunday.
The day for the snails. Then we're gonna rinse them. I'm psyching myself out. These are gonna be awesome.
Now, for second time.
We're gonna cook them again, but that water will be seasoned.
Exactly.
Chili d'arbol,
Salt.
herb de Provence, and thyme.
Yes.
And how long?
10 minutes.
And then do we have a sauce?
For the sauce, we put oil, onion.
Green bell pepper?
Yes.
Okay.
And we wait a little bit.
We wait, because it's snail day.
We put
Okay.
Garlic. It's a white wine.
Okay.
And we wait. We love wait for the snails.
We love to wait for the snails. And me too.
Tomate natural, tomate frito. That's jam and chorizo.
Okay.
Tomillo,
More time.
hierbas de Provenza.
The herb de Provence, hot pepper, the bay leaf, and more chile. I mean, if you can't like snails with this sauce, you should, well, not eat snails. Okay, and then we put the snails in the sauce.
Yes.
It's a lot of snails. Chicken stock.
Me voy a poner la picada. La picada is like mix it with almonds, garlic.
A little garlic and some nuts. So this will thicken this up a little bit.
10 minutes more.
I'm getting ready. I hope everybody at home in Flavortown is appreciating the, oh, just serving it up. The old bounty there. Okay, so how do you do it?
Okay. Take it.
Fantastic. Super tender, not chewy at all. There's good spice from the chorizo. The broth itself is dynamite. I mean, it's a lot of big flavor. It's outstanding. I mean, come on. I don't like snails, but you come and have this, you will not forget it. Nice job, my friends.
Okay.
Cargos casola?
The mix of all the flavors, it's perfect.
So this is my buddy Vincenzo, and he worked at a place called La Casa Mia in Mallorca, Spain. When Hunter and I shot the European vacation, the paella was off the charts. So he came over to visit. I put snails in front of him. What do you think?
I think it's amazing. It's a bit spicy. Fantastic.
It is fantastic.
Una patata, un filete con chips al punto.
It's such a great restaurant.
It's a really nice place to gather with friends and have a really good time.
This feels like the kind of house that you throw a party in. It has that energy.